Hello everyone, my name is ALYN SANO. I'm a singer, a songwriter, and a performer. After realizing that most of my fans are mothers, fathers, and children, and I myself love kids to death, so I've decided to bring something that's even more fascinating to kids. I have some books that I'm going to read for you, and it's going to be something continuous, so please just subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and comment what you like, and just tell me everything you want to tell me. So today's book is called Hope Restored. Here it is. And the author is called Violet Warunji. Let's get it on. Your aunt will leave soon, her mother said. But Aunt Nyakato stayed 6 long months. In that time, he will not let Daisy play music in the room or put the bedroom light at night to read. It hurts my eyes and keeps me awake, Aunt Nyakato said. So Mrs. Molodi told Daisy to read in the sitting room at night. But Daisy did not like reading in the sitting room at night because it was scary. She obeyed anyway because she did not want to make her mother unhappy. Jody interrupted Daisy's thoughts and brought her back to the present. Now we come back to the present. Come, Mommy has arrived. Let's go to tell her, Jody said. The 2 children rushed to the front door to welcome their mother. Hello children, how was your day? Mrs. Molodi stopped abruptly when she noticed that Jody had been crying. What happened to you, Jody? She asked. Then she turned to Daisy. Have you been fighting with your brother again? No, Mommy. Why do I always have to be the first suspect? Daisy complained. They all went inside and closed the door. Just then, there was a loud knock at the door. It was followed shortly by a louder and more insistent knock. No one responded for a while. Then whoever was knocking started shaking the door impatiently. Open this door at once, a voice called out. They all recognized the voice. It was Rugude, Aunt Nyakato's husband. Mrs. Molodi opened the door. Where is my wife? Rugude asked, rushing into the house. He did not bother to greet anyone. He was a tall, thin man with a long uncombed hair. His bloodshot eyes searched the house for signs of his wife. He must have come straight from a local drinking, then for he strongly smelled of liquor. If she spends another night in this house, take your wife and leave us alone, Rugude, Mrs. Molodi interrupted him. She went to Daisy's bedroom and packed Aunt Nyakato's belongings into a bag. She gave the bag to Rugude. Here, these are her things. Aunt Nyakato, who had remained silent all this time, looked frightened. She followed her husband out without saying a word. As soon as the door closed behind Rugude and Aunt Nyakato, relief swept over the house. Daisy jumped and shouted in glee. Jody hugged his mother tightly. She pinched me this afternoon until my ears turned red. Look, he said, pointing at his ears. Well, now she's gone. She won't touch you again, his mother said, bending to examine Jody's ear. Alone again, children, Mrs. Molodi said. But it is not going to be easy. Though your aunt was difficult, she used to help me with the housework and cooking. She paused and looked at the children. Can't we ask Nambiti to come back? Jody asked hopefully. Nambiti was the house help who had been sent away when Aunt Nyakato came to live with them. We cannot afford a house help right now, Mrs. Molodi answered. Just then, she started coughing. She sat down heavily on the sofa, closed her eyes, and breathed in deeply. She remained silent for a while. when she opened her eyes. Daisy was staring at her intently. Her eyes were questioning. "Are you okay, Mommy?" Daisy asked. So, thank you very much for watching. This is Read with ALYN Sano, and I hope you enjoyed everything. So please, I need to really know what your kids think about my videos. So please comment down there, comment below. I will see it. And remember, this is not just about reading and having fun. This is also about learning. Please, I want to know what they think so that next time I can bring more and more and more interesting books. And please, please, please do not forget to subscribe by clicking that red thing. It's written subscribe down below. And then after subscribing, you will see a bell so that you can see the notifications whenever I release a new video. So please do that for me, and we will have helped each other to build our community, because you know the kids are our future. So let's build our future. I love you very much. See you next time. Mwah.